Hello and welcome back to Clear Talk Studio, my friend. Today we are starting something very special, building your English speaking confidence. If you know English words, grammar, and phrases, that's great. But without confidence, English stays inside your head. Speaking is not just about knowing, it's about using what you know. In this lesson, I will be your guide, coach, and speaking partner. Together, we will turn fear into confidence and make speaking English easy, natural, and fun. Before we start, remember, like this video, subscribe to Clear Talk Studio, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any lesson, and share this video with your friends who want to improve English. Let's start our journey to speaking English confidently anywhere. Chapter 1. Why confidence is the key to speaking. Speaking English can feel hard for many reasons. You worry about making mistakes. You are afraid people will not understand you. Your brain is busy searching for words, grammar, and pronunciation all at once. Here's the secret. Confidence matters more than perfection. Even if you know only a few words, speaking bravely will make people understand you. But if you know thousands of words and stay silent out of fear, nobody will hear your English. Repeat after me for a confidence boost. I am brave enough to speak English. Every mistake helps me learn. I can speak English anywhere, anytime. Remember, confidence is the bridge between knowledge and real communication. Chapter 2. Start small. Daily confidence practice. You don't need to start with long speeches. You can start small. Speak for 1 to 2 minutes about your day. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Record a 1-minute audio about your routine. Use simple phrases in real life. Mini exercise. Say these sentences out loud. Good morning. How are you today? I am learning English step by step. I am improving my speaking every day. Now try role play with me. I will be person A. You be person B. A. Hello. How are you today? B. I'm good, thank you. How about you? A. I'm great. What are you doing today? B. I'm practicing English with Clear Talk Studio. Switch roles now. You be person A, I'll be person B. Summary of Chapter 2. Start small and simple. Speak to yourself or a partner. Record and notice progress. Chapter 3. Real-life confidence. Situations. Anywhere. Confidence grows when you practice in real-life situations. At a restaurant. Asking for directions. Talking to friends or colleagues. Shopping or ordering online. Dialogue. 1. At a restaurant. A. Hello, can I see the menu, please? B. Of course, here you go. A. I'd like a chicken sandwich. B. Would you like something to drink? A. Yes, a glass of water, please. Repeat the dialogue aloud, role by role. Imagine yourself in the restaurant. Confidence comes from practice. Dialogue 2. Asking for directions. A. Excuse me, can you help me? B. Sure. Where do you want to go? A. I want to go to the train station. B. Go straight and turn left. The station is near the bank. A. Thank you very much. B. You're welcome. Practice this aloud. Don't worry about mistakes. Every attempt builds confidence. Chapter 4. Speak English in your daily routine. Confidence grows fastest when English becomes part of your daily life. Daily routine exercise. Repeat after me. I wake up and say good morning in English. I describe my day in English. I use English while talking to friends. I write short messages in English. Try this mini task now. Describe your morning routine in 3 to 5 sentences. Example: I wake up at 7 o'clock. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I speak with my colleagues in English. Remember, short daily sentences build long-term confidence. Chapter 5. Dealing with mistakes, your best teacher. Mistakes are normal and necessary. Every mistake is a step forward. Every sentence you speak is progress. Fear of mistakes stops growth. Courage moves you forward. Repeat after me. I am not afraid of mistakes. Every mistake helps me improve. I speak English bravely. Mini practice. Role play a mistake scenario. A. I go to the store yesterday. B. Oh, you mean I went to the store yesterday? A. Yes, thank you for correcting me. Notice, mistakes are part of learning. Confidence comes from trying. Chapter 6. Vocabulary and phrases for confident speaking. Use ready phrases to speak confidently in any situation. I think, in my opinion, I believe. Can you help me? I would like, how do I say? Practice with me. I can ask for help confidently. I can share my opinion clearly. I can start a conversation easily. Role play. A. I would like to order a coffee, please. B. Sure. Would you like sugar or milk? A. Sugar, please. Thank you. Please. Thank. Chapter 7. Confidence. Affirmations. Repeat these daily affirmations for strong confidence. I am brave enough to speak English. Every day I improve my speaking. I enjoy speaking English. My voice matters. I learn from every mistake. I can speak English anywhere. Pro tip: record these affirmations and listen every morning. Chapter 8. Challenge yourself. Speak anywhere. Your final task: speak English in 3 new situations this week. Talk to a stranger in English. Grocery, cafe. Record a 1-minute description of your day. Ask a friend about their weekend in English. Remember, start small. Speak daily. Celebrate mistakes. Build confidence step by step. Final motivation: you can do it. Congratulations, my friend. You now know how to build English speaking confidence. Speak in real-life situations. Use mistakes to improve. Integrate English in your daily routine. Speak bravely anywhere, anytime. Repeat after me. I believe in myself. I can speak English confidently. Step by step, I am fluent. Thank you for joining me on this journey with Clear Talk Studio. Keep practicing, keep believing, and remember, your voice matters. Until next time, keep talking, keep smiling, and keep shining in English.